Hey guys, so I am here and I'm going to start my sci-fi prop weapon build. I have purchased a Nerf long strike or long shot, one of the two. I forgot which one it is. Here it is right here. It's in the bathtub because I just cut some PVC and I'm gonna be sanding, and I really don't have the room or space to do it anywhere else, and so just for cleanup's sake, I decided to just do it in the bathtub. So, first step is sanding. I'm going to sand down all the Nerf logos. I'm going to sand down all the weird, nasty stuff on it, and just give it a basic rundown so the paint will stick to it properly. So, yeah, let's get started on this long project. Quick note, you should probably be wearing a mask. I am not, but you probably should, because I'm starting to smell plastic, so. You know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna go grab a mask really quick. I'll be right back. Safety first. Oh. Okay, well, I think I'm satisfied with that, so, just to show you an example of what's going on here, I'm gonna take you with me. All this dust here, yeah, all that could be in your lungs, so watch out. When you're doing this in the house, it's gonna be dirty. I did make a little bit of mess right down here, but that's okay. So next, I think I'm gonna go ahead and I think the next step is to disassembly. So I'll meet you guys in my next room. All right, so now we're gonna start disassembly. It is day 2. I cannot do that all in one day. So yeah, we're gonna start disassembling, and then we're gonna get the pieces outside and start spray painting because it is a lovely day. So we'll get to it. I got it all disassembled, and it was a bitch. The amount of screws and pieces to put back together. Mainly I'm worried about the all the springs. Hopefully I can find some kind of assembly guide online to put it back together. I really only need a few pieces to be actually working. I don't need the Nerf gun to work itself, but mainly the clip needs to go in, and those guys right here. So I don't know. I'm gonna start spray painting. So we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, I'm outside. Probably out of focus. Don't care right now. This is just for fun. So, all right, I got my stuff set up over here. Got my blow dryer, I got my spray paint, and I'm gonna start doing some layers, start blow drying. It's not the warmest outside, but I'm gonna deal with what I got. So, yeah, make sure you wear mouth, same thing as last time. Gotta safety first. So yeah, let's get spray painted. Let's start with my black spray paint first. Going to Home Depot. Alright, I'm back from Home Depot with new black. Getting back to it. All right, so I got it all painted. Got the three coats of paint, black paint. I was originally gonna do yellow, but I decided to go with just black. I'm gonna do some weathering next, so that'll give it some depth. So now is the disassembly, or sorry, reassembly, which is gonna be complicated, but I actually did find a YouTube video which I will link in the description to reassemble it. So hopefully that'll make it easier. I haven't found a for the second piece, but yeah. So I'll do that. I'm probably not going to do it on the camera because I don't know how long it'll take me. So I will get back to you guys when I have reassembled the thing. Alright, so I got it all painted up and reassembled, and this is what it looks like. Alright, after many hours, I have finished the masking process. I'm going to paint it silver now. Oh yeah, that's so cool. Somebody's in here to get off. Alright, we're using a little raw umber, a little burnt umber, and what we got here? Burnt sienna. And I wanted to use just a little bit of orange, not that much.
A good poopy brown.
Good poopy brown. Already kind of has a little orange there, doesn't it? Kind of thing, you know?
Oh.
See that? A little bit of rusty tone. Kind of makes it look a little bit old. Starting to look old. So that's interesting, like an old futuristic gun, right? Oh,
It's like an oxymoron.
right. Kind of like I like the idea of that though, because it gives it more character. It's like this isn't just a like Star Wars, right? Star Wars guns are really nice, but this one is not. You see my eye?
Yeah.
You can?
Yeah.
That's dope.
I take it you don't come in peace, so. Got it.
Satisfied with it. Now I'm just gonna do some silver weathering on it, I think. Alright, to give it a nice metal look, because it was looking pretty plastic, so what I've been doing is grabbing this metallic aluminum, just giving it a quick spray in the ground here. Grabbing a rag, right? Got it on the rag, and all you do is you come in here, and you just kind of start rubbing it on. Give it that faded metal look, especially around the rim. Really starts making it look less like plastic and more like metal, in my opinion here. Oh yeah, that's so cool. Oh yeah, does say made in China right there, but I'm gonna go ahead and ignore that. Who knows? Maybe in this futuristic moment, things are made of in China. Just kind of rub it on here and there, give it a nice metal look. Look at that. And the same thing with this. So I'm gonna come in here, spread a little bit here. Rub it on. really starts looking less like plastic and more like metal. I'll show you what it looked like.